Standard 7 Subject Geography Lesson number 5 Winds Part 3 Local winds. The winds that blow for a short duration of time originate in specific regions and blow over a limited area are called local winds. Local winds affect the climate of the region when they blow. These winds are known by different local names in the different regions where they blow. Valley breeze. The winds that blow from the valley towards the mountain during the day are called valley breezes. During the daytime, the air on the mountains get heated faster while the air on the valley zones remains comparatively cooler. Thus, low pressure is created on the mountains and high pressure in the valley zone. As a result, the cool air in the valley moves upwards towards the mountains. In this way, valley breezes are formed. Mountain breeze. The winds that blow from the mountain towards the valley at night, that is, after sunset, are called the mountain breezes. At night, the air on the mountain cools down quickly, while the air in the valley zones remains comparatively warmer. Thus, high pressure is created on the mountains and comparatively low pressure in the valley zones. As a result, the cool air from the mountain rushes down into the valley, and the hot and the light air from valley is pushed upwards. In this way, mountain breezes are formed. Land and sea breeze. The land is made up of dense matter. Land is stable and opaque. As a result, heat is transferred at a greater speed and in a higher proportion. Hence, land gets heated quickly. The density of water is comparatively less. Water is transparent and unstable. Hence, water does not get heated quickly. As a result, the air pressure in land and water areas is different. In the coastal areas, land gets heated during the daytime. Hence, the air on land also gets heated and the air pressure on land decreases. The sea water gets heated slowly, hence, the air is less heated and the air pressure remains high. Winds blowing from the sea towards the land are called sea breezes. At night, the land cools down faster compared to the sea and therefore has a higher air pressure. Hence, the land breeze blows from land towards the sea. Besides this, winds blow under particular conditions in different areas. These are also called local winds. For example, Fawn, Chinook, Bora, Lu, etc. Let us learn about them. Major local winds in the world. Lu. They are hot and dry winds. They blow in the North Indian plains during the summer seasons, generally in the afternoon. They come from the hot Thar desert. Simom. They are the hot and dry winds. They blow with tremendous velocities from the Sahara and Arabian deserts. As these winds are quite strong, they are destructive. Chinook. They are warm and dry winds. They blow down the eastern slopes of Rocky Mountains of North America. They increase the temperature in the valley, hence, they are also known as snow eaters. Fohn. They are hot and dry winds. These blow along the northern slopes of the Alps. Mistral. They are cold and dry winds. They blow in Spain, France, and areas around the Mediterranean Sea. They originate from the Alps. These cold winds reduce the temperature in the coastal areas. Bora. They are cold and dry winds. They blow from the Alps mountain towards the coastal areas of Italy. Pampero. They are cold and dry winds. They blow around the Pampas grassland in the South America. Thank you.